closing arguments that started in the public corruption trial for ex-city prosecutor Keith Kaneshiro and employees of a politically connected Honolulu business.
The government told the jury that all the evidence showed the employees of Mitsunaga and Associates bribed Kaneshiro with re-election campaign donations, and that Kaneshiro rewarded them by prosecuting an enemy of the firm. But Kaneshiro's attorney called it speculation, saying that he didn't need money. His campaigns had a surplus. The attorneys for each defendant get to present a closing argument. The jury will then begin deliberating.